Hi, my name is Petar, and in this gig I'll create social media content to help your business get noticed and connect with more customers. Over the past 4 years I've created more than 9,000 social media posts, helping hundreds of clients improve their online presence and grow their business. I combine creativity, strategy and personalization to create content that reflects your brand identity and checks all the boxes for effective marketing. Depending on your business model and content preferences, I can create promotional posts to showcase your products or services, educational posts to provide value and keep your audience engaged, and other creative content types that align with your brand. With this kind of content, we will establish a strong online presence, boost your business credibility, promote what you offer, and build trust with your audience. Feel free to check out the available packages, or if you have any questions or need a custom offer, just send me a message and I'll be happy to help.